Okay, good morning, class.
May nanonet na. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning,
So,
ma'am.
before we start our class today, let us check our attendance first. Once I call your name, you say present. Let us start with Kayan.
Present.
Okay, Maisie.
Present.
Okay, Dino.
Present po.
Okay, Bianca.
Present po. Bianca Calvo.
Sino yun? Sino yung nagsasalita nun?
Hindi po ako yun, ma'am. Hindi po ako.
Class, refrain from saying
Uy, sino
unnecessary
yun?
things,
Mami,
It's disrespectful.
Uy, dahil ikaw yun, di ba? Kita ko yung video ko.
Okay, wala nang uulit nun,
Uy, hindi
guys,
ako yun.
That's disrespectful.
Yan kasi.
Okay, so basta wala nang uulit nun next time, okay? Kasi the next time na ulitin nyo yun, magkakaroon na kayo ng consequence, okay? Do you guys understood? Okay.
Okay po.
So, let us start with our discussion na today.
Sir, take it or double it and give it to the next person.
Double it and give it to the next person.
Okay?